Hello everyone, my name is Jerald from MultiSoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. You want to know how to sort your products alphabetically by their product code using your MLM software? Well, to do this, all you just need to do is log in as an admin to your system. Once you're logged in, you should be seeing now the admin toolbar. The next thing that you want to do is hover your mouse on top of company, look for modules, scroll down a bit, and then look for shopping cart and cart settings, this ones. Once you click that, you'll be redirected to this page, and all you just need to do is scroll down, okay, and then look for sort product order in category view, and then select the alphabetical by product code. Select that radio button. Once you do that, just click save. So let me go ahead and click save. Once you click the save button, the page will be refreshed and you should be seeing now this message here that the settings have been saved successfully. All right, and to provide an overview of how it's going to look like, let's go ahead and visit our shop. Okay, so once we are in our shop, once we are in the category view, so this is the category view, as you can notice that the products displayed here are arranged alphabetically from Z to the last one. All right, so that's it. That's pretty simple, and thank you for viewing this webinar, and hope you learned something from this. And also, please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support team in order to enhance services you provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input, and please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. And if you have any question about this or any other trainings, or would like to schedule a one-on-one training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with a MultiSoft account executive, please call us at 239-945-6433 or submit a help desk ticket request at helpdesk@marketpowerpro.com. Thank you.